right, y'all. Welcome back to Tailored Tips. I'm continuing on the series on saving money on your 2023 taxes in 2024. So this third tip looks at a strategy that often is considered and can be beneficial for some taxpayers, and that is the strategy of filing for an extension. And this year in particular, there's something going on that may make it beneficial for you to consider filing for an extension. So when you file for an extension, you have an additional 6 months to pay your taxes. And of course, if you owe taxes, then you will owe a penalty. But sometimes the amounts of savings that you could get by waiting to pay your tax in October could be worth it. So in this particular case, the House of Representatives has already passed a new tax bill, and should it pass the Senate, it will become new tax law. And most likely this bill won't get to the Senate and be passed before April 15th. So here's why this bill might be useful. The bill is considering increasing the SALT tax, the state and local taxes tax. So this used to be a tax that allowed people who pay state and local taxes to deduct the amount of state and local taxes they paid from their federal taxes. But when President Trump passed the 2017 Tax and Job Cuts Act, he reduced the amount and limited it for SALT to $10,000. This new bill is arguing and wanting to increase that the SALT tax from $10,000 to potentially $20,000 for those who are married filing jointly. And the argument here is that if you're married filing jointly, then the $10,000 cap is actually unfair because those who are single are getting $10,000. But if you're married filing jointly, the argument is you should get double that. So if you're married filing jointly, it may make sense to file for an extension and pay your taxes in October 2024, because should this bill pass, you'll be able to get an additional $10,000 deduction on your state and local taxes. All right, y'all. I hope this tip has been helpful. If so, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to know when I'm dropping the next video in the series, hit that notification bell. And if you'd like to drop me comments to let me know what other tips you want me to cover, feel free to do so. All right, y'all. See you soon.